ifo ebe ụmụ iti otu anọ na ebe a ka Ogbunigwe jidere ha taa bụ November 19 2024 ka ha bịara na duty post dị na Mbosi ka ha bịa mee ochi n'ụwa ihe ekwensu mmụọ na otu ya na-ejere ozi emeghe ya arịrị ị na-anya ifo ebe ha paakị sịrị ebe a ka a na-emeghe ihe ekwensu ihe a debere egbuo na ha meghe ihe ekwensu meghe ya arịrị ha nọdị ya ha nkịsịa ike egwu na ha manwụ ya ha ya eme ume adịghị ha egbe ya ka nsị ka mmụọ mee ya vidiyo obere vidiyo nna m ka efo ụmụ gị n'ọrụ Ogbunigwe n'ọrụ ya gazie mpamasa ụmụ gị n'ọrụ sa.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. We want to go through the activities, short clips that Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Security Liberation Fighters, what they have done and some of the activities in Biafra land. A lot of people are saying, having different opinion. The attack, the comment. I just watched just a video of one person, which I'm not going to mention his name. He on his channel. He just about 30 minutes ago, as time I'm recording this video, he published just a video, and it's not a long video. I think a 9 minutes video. But in that video, he was busy saying that talking about the bloodshed in Igbo land and all that. But he did not mention anyone, so I'm not gonna attack I'm not gonna tag this video to anybody about it. But what I'm trying to say is that if you see something and you don't know what is going on, ask questions. Don't just use hate and assume that everybody that buy in Biafra land or in Igbo land has to do with one particular people or one particular person. So that kind of comment is flying a lot on social media, and they're all from Igbo speaking people. So let's not do that. It doesn't make sense. You can see some videos. I have some videos. There are videos that I have seen, many of them, but I don't need to bring it here. I don't need to bring it here because I don't have concrete information about it. So you don't just bring video because you have access to the video without knowing what the video is all about. At least even if you don't know everything about it, you know at least few percent of it. Then people that may know more about it, we educate you on comment section. So that's why I look at it. But you don't just bring video maybe where people are protesting about one particular thing, and you say, oh, Samonekba boys, oh, this person, oh, the other person. It's not good. It's not good. Anyway, I have some videos to share with us on this video. Just bear with me while we go through them, and I want you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Tell me what you think about what is going on in our land, the effort and the determination of Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Fighters. Just go with me and don't forget to like the video like I said. So this is from Biafra Liberation Army. This is from Biafra Liberation Army, and I have, like I said, they are going through a lot. A lot is going on in our land at the moment. This is another of their video, Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Fighters in Biafra land. So just watch this.
Come and show road. To give him money. Look at the idiots. Don't shoot. Look at the idiots. You can see it. He's even more off here. Let them come and shoot gun. Where we follow? Where we follow? Come and show road. Let's go. Leave it. That's what I see. I see you. You're not listening. I can see you. Look at people they are watching. Buffalo, let's go. We are going in front. Let them come and shoot gun. Let's go. We are walking straight to them. Let's go. Let's go. You know, I'm refer. No, here's something. Let's go. This this Ebonyi Mafia, Elubago, and vigilante, and hunters. They enjoy together and look our trouble. Move. Let's go. Let's go front so that we enter the road. You can see.
So what do you have to say about it? Because this is what Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran resistance fighters, what they're going through on daily basis, and some people are very, very angry. Why must you stop them from, kidnapping people from our land? Why must you not allow them to do this and do that? A lot of crime is going on in our land. And when you ignore those things and think that somehow government is going to help you and all that, you're on your own. Anyway, I'm not here to side anybody, but I just want to bring it to your notice what is going on in different land. Some may say, oh no, this is just innocent government worker, police or army. Okay, that's your opinion. But maybe the next video may change your opinion on that. So let's continue. So the news have it that youths in Nnewi are protesting massively against the burial of Ifa Yoruba in Nnewi. Okay, and I don't know what happened. Okay, because of the protest or something like that. But all we can see here is that there are kind of cars being set ablaze and some people being pied in the street of Nnewi happening today. Okay, the 20th of November 2024. Sometimes we don't know who is who, but the only thing I want to say is that killing of people is very, very, very bad. But people on the video tried to explain what happened. Behold, none of them mentioned Biafran or Biafran Liberation Army or anybody. But you will see people lying lifelessly on the ground for no just reason. And that is why you need to connect the dots. People will sit in their comfort zone in Europe and start telling you that Ekbenema is doing that, Ekbenema is doing this, is doing that. But if you do your own investigation, you understand that what they're saying it just to paint the person bad and paint the person black. That is why I said you need to ask questions before. Now, let me not just waste much of your time and allow the video to play so that you yourself will do that. Okay, this from the beginning.
See, I'm there now. Go for that.
Did you hear that? No, so who do you think that killed these people? Who is responsible of sending them to judgment? Listen.
If I Venza or Venza, blue, faded blue. On no so no, on the other side, they will follow you cause on a wherever.
This is Nnewi.
One and every second person. When Kaya took a call, Abia, Guru had the second person. Say, 6 layer, Kabia clear this mess. Because no one clear, I didn't get mad now. They clear this mess. No, I'm alone. When I was the second person.
So you can hear what the person said. You can now understand that people are not taking it lightly, and if you are supporting whoever you want to support, as you are supporting government, or you're supporting the federal government in exile, or you're supporting DOS, you're supporting politicians, you're supporting the Bubago, everything, whatever you are supporting, always stand on the side of the truth. People making an allegation against PM, against Biafrans, to me, is not good at all, because that's a lie from pit of hell. That's a lie from. You can see here in Newe, there's nothing like Biafran presence at the time that this thing happened. One thing I like about Biafran government in exile, Biafran Liberation Army, they always accept, if at all they engage any security personnel, or they are involved in any casualty, they're involved in any engagement or military casualties. Sometimes we see their pictures and all that. They always tell you that they are the one exchanging blow with them. Do you understand? So I don't think it is wise for somebody to claim, oh, he's this, they are doing this, they are doing that. It's not, to me, it's not proper at all. Okay, now let's move to Ebonyi State. Abakaliki in Ebonyi State. Police officer open fire on innocent civilians in Ugwu-Ochara, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. By one instantly, 3 rushed to the hospital. Maka ndị Biafra, cause ọbala na ofu na Igbo na ọkwa ndị Igbo ka ndị Igbo ị na-egefe ha na-akọ ihe iche na ha bụ humanitarian. They're not humanitarian. They only want to use that to tell you that people, the group they don't like, is getting it wrong, whereas they themselves are getting it right. That's what I can see. All I can see from what they're saying. Now, hear this. I'm not saying that the killing of anybody is good. That's not what I'm not saying that there is only when one group kills one person that is normal. Just like what I'm saying. When personnel, military personnel, or army, or Nigerian government personnel, by innocent civilian, it is normal. It's a government in action. But when civilian revenge is a terrorist, is a sin. In Anokwa, Anaki or Black. Now let us listen to them. Just hear this, because I don't want to be the one to say it.
Happening in AI, Ugwu-Ochara Junction. Police officers shot 4 people, 1 confirmed dead. I'm fine, oh my dear. Now police officers will shoot person. Not first crack. Because the guy no one give them money for this. You can't shoot for they come to chase one person when no one give them money. Bye. They can't shoot 4 people. 1 person can't die. Shoot them for person body now.
Just because of bribe. Did you hear that? Just because of bribe. They want money, and the person refused to pay bribe, and immediately they gunned the person down. And if the youth from this region or from this location start to engage police, they will say that it's a terrorist group, that you are committing. Then you hear them. You start hearing from people that police officers that are Igbos. This is a Igbo people, Igbo officer. Now that he kills somebody, nobody cares about where this officer come from. Is the officer Igbo or not Igbo? And then we know all those things. Most of them saying that have their relative working in the Nigerian army or police. I'm not saying that we should go and kill army or go after anybody. I'm just saying that if you have punishment for a murderer, can you bring it to every other person, not selected judgment? And speaking of selected justice, I will play a video of one man that is he's confused, because Nigerian somehow happened to him. When you see bad thing, condemn it because you don't know what tomorrow will hold for you. We are coming to his clip because I wanted to make the video sharply, but I need to bring it here so that you understand what I mean by selective judgment, because they will select what they want, and selective justice. They will select what they want and give it to people that they want, and use the other one and punish anybody that they don't like. So that is it from Ebonyi State. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. Therefore, pay very close attention to what this our brother here, what he will say. Some of you may have seen the video, but if you have not, this is an opportunity for you to see that. Listen and listen very, very well. Let's go there.
Arrested the guy and came to my house to attack me. I was shot several times. That my bone was shattered. There's this picture from my incident. So I followed the case up and up. Police was just gambling with it. I even went after one of the guys after they discharged me from hospital. So when they discharged me from hospital, so I went for the guys. Arrested the guy and then hand them over to police. Because just one of them, this guy shoots me, girl. You hear what? Yani, I don't kill me, ba. Yeah, so I reported the case to. I used to feel like I have connection until Nigerian happens to me. You understand? I reported the case, followed it up, even with lawyers. You understand? Nothing happened. They later released the guy. What they told, I went to the CRU unit in headquarters here to go and report and tell them that this is how they handled my case. And they were like, since I'm an Igbo guy, I can't get justice in Nigeria. It shared his personal story. Yeah, so I was hearing when this guy was saying that religion, this, that. The guy told me, the officer told me that I can never get justice. That because don't I see videos of online that they catch these Fulani guys, they always cover their faces. But other guys, other criminals, they can't get, they put their face on the media and all that they are the one that own Nigeria. That they are not the one ruling, but they are the one controlling Nigeria. That's what they told me, that I should leave it for God. I said no, even if you take my life. So who said this now? Is it Nigerian police? Yes, the Nigerian police. Okay. The CRU department. If you feel like you have
from the first PRO.
Yes. If you feel like you have connection, we can go and you will end up laughing Nigeria. I swear.
Now, I don't want to say much. Just few things I want to highlight from what he said just now. That Nigeria, he felt that he had connection until that he's highly connected until Nigeria happened to him. This thing happened in Abuja. And I have watched a video of Lucky Udo, and the case looked like this guy. I'm not sure, but I hope he's not, because his case sounds like the video that you have shared on here on this platform. But in that video, he looked somehow more darker and he did not plait hair. So maybe he's the same guy, because I can see that he has the same score and the same height. And the guy, he sounds so cool like the other guy. Maybe it's the same person. Maybe I will do further verification on that. But what you need to understand is that he thought that he have contact until Nigeria happened to him. They dealt with him, Fulani people, and he couldn't do it. Even he got the people that are trying to buy him, they still release him. And the police officer told him, because you're an Igbo person, you will never get justice. So, as an Igbo person watching this video, I'm not going to tell you I'm not going to say much. Judge the case by yourself. Thank you, my people, and please don't forget to like the video, share, and comment. God bless you all.